conversations.
A social media influencer in the booth here. We gotta make honey when the bees are buzzing, right?
I'm gonna put this live on. Live Baker honey directly to Matt.
I thank you so much. I cannot wait to
TSA approved.
have some delicious tea and put it on some toast and some. Oh my God, thank you. I really, really appreciate that.
We'll make the announcement here that next year will be CBD oil.
Think about that. We're branching off.
Yeah,
Modern.
Man. Yeah, man.
Look at this. He's a hippie. Look at
Buried way deep. Yes.
So I really appreciate that. I appreciate you coming to say hello.
You're welcome.
I'm going to spring something on you here because I know you're a big fan of tattoos and body art.
I'm a huge body art fan.
So I've been tattooed in many countries, but not your homeland.
No.
So I am today going to a place called Atticus Tattoo, which is about a mile from here.
I've heard of it.
Have you?
Yes.
That bodes well, actually, for cleanliness and quality, right? So I usually get a regionally flavored type of thing. I got a caipirinha in Brazil. It's the drink of Brazil and all this sort of stuff. So this is my Canadian tattoo.
All right.
Gonna get the old Tim Hortons cup and the crossed hockey sticks. So obviously this has deep cultural significance. Would you agree?
Man, it's a good start. Like if you're gonna start off on the journey of Canadiana, then Tim Hortons and hockey sticks is not a bad way to go.
Indeed, I appreciate that.
I mean, clearly he's got lots of skin, so we can.
It's reducing, but yeah, it is reducing.
We'll find a spot. That's not a bad start.
So bad. So next time I come back to Alberta, I will get a more provincial tattoo.
You're gonna have to get like some horses or an oil rig.
Oh, there you go. Okay, absolutely.
Just decimating the environment.
Bob, thanks so much for the honey. Thank you for stopping by. Really appreciate it. I'll send you a picture of this tattoo.
All right. Well, I may or may not post that.